We have learned a lot in patient safety. So we are all aware, because Apollo started their journey in Bangladesh in 2005. So from then the people started understanding what is the patient safety, why should we take the quality initiative for the patient safety. From the waste management to the medication management, we have to take the safety precaution, even in the fire safety, whatever it is, whatever we say. So the conference was very fruitful for all of us. From the day orientation, from the day one is still going on, so it will be helpful for us to develop our country also. So it is great help for this Apollo group to invite us for this conference. Second thing, that we have also presented a paper from our Apollo hospital. We have done a root cause analysis on the medication management. We have designed a medication chart in Bangladesh. So we have showed this medication chart here, so we get the appreciation. So what we do for the waste management, whenever we throw the waste, we segregate. Same way what we did for the medication management, the drug chart. So we segregate the doctors, they need to prescribe the high alert medication in one side, of antibiotics another side, and regular medication and verbal order. They have to segregate and they have to write. Yes, it is difficult for them to, from the day one, that is very difficult, tedious for them to do that thing. But after 3-4 days, they will find that it is very fruitful for them. So at a glance they can see what the medicines patients are getting, what is the benefit from this medication chart. IT technology in Bangladesh, what we did, we are having this e-prescription system. All the systems in Bangladesh, we have started with e-prescription. It has been interlinked with the lab, and all are IT supported. That is first time in Bangladesh. The problem we are facing is that is the technology. The people, they are not aware of the technology. They need to understand what is the benefit, because when we introduce something e-prescription, so what we challenges we face, that we need to make the management understand that this is helpful for us, for the patient database maintenance and all the records, because if we do the paperless, so this is easy for us. We get the data and we can do the analysis. So this is easy for us. We get the data and we can do the analysis. For the paper, if you do the paperwork and these things, so it is data analysis very difficult. So if we get the data, then we can do the analysis and we can do the improvement. Without the IT support, it's quite impossible. Patients about this, suppose if we need to do for patient identification, if first time if the patient is not aware that why we are asking his name, because true identification is required, why we need to ask the patient the name, so patient get angry that why you are asking my name. But for patient safety perspective, we need to ask the name. Then we put the wristband with the photograph and everything. We need to take the photograph of the patient and we put in the wristband. They say, why you are giving so much hassle? But when they go through this process and later on they understand, okay, it's very good. Sometimes they send the patients come from the poor villages and this thing. What they say, they poor rural areas, what they say, okay, they send the prescription through this electricity wire. So the concept they get that, okay, they send the prescription through electricity wire. So later on they understand, okay, this is good for them. If they lose the prescription, they can get the prescription after 5 years, 4 years. We are having the online, all the lab reports you can see, check on through the online also. So this is good for these people.